Welcome students. Today I want to solve a problem of cost control accounts under non-integrated account system. Here is the problem. Please write down the problem in your exercise book. Now you have to draw 11 accounts as in the screen. Please draw before starting to solve the problem, and another at the last trial balance as on December 31st, 2019. Now you see a part of the problem, that is the trial balance, opening trial balance of the problem. It is general ledger adjustment account 15,200 and stores ledger control account 8,750. Just put on your accounts general ledger adjustment account credit side 15,200 and next one is stores ledger control account in the debit side 8,750. Next, work in progress control account 4,280 and next one is finished goods control account 2,170. Now just draw as instructed earlier the accounts: wages control account, production overhead control account, administrative overhead control account, selling and distribution control account, overhead control account, overhead adjustment account, cost of sales account, costing profit and loss account, and trial balance. Now we start to solve the problem one by one, the transactions to be entered in the accounts. First one is purchase of stores 60,640. Just see, general ledger adjustment account credit side stores ledger control account debit to general ledger adjustment account in the stores ledger control account. Next one is purchase of stores for special job 1,950. General ledger, in the general ledger adjustment account credit side work in progress control account and the work in progress control account debit side to general ledger adjustment account 1,950. Next one, direct wages 38,627. Wages control under wages control account, work in progress control account 38,627 and in the work in progress control account 2 wages control account 38,627. Next is indirect factory wages 9,543. Here wages control account credit side production overhead control account 9,543 and production overhead control account 9,543. 2 wages control account. Next, administrative staff salaries 6,731. In wages control account, administrative overhead control account 6,731 and administrative overhead control account 2 wages control account 6,731. Next, selling and distribution staff salaries 4,252. In wages control account, selling and distribution overhead control account 4,252 and selling and distribution overhead control account 2 wages account 4,252. Production expenses 10,432. In the credit side of general ledger adjustment account, production overhead control account 10,432 and production overhead control account to general ledger adjustment account 10,432. Administrative expenses 9,546. in the general ledger adjustment account by administrative overhead control account 9546, and in the administrative overhead control account to general ledger adjustment account 9546. Selling and distribution expenses 6430 in general ledger adjustment account credit side selling and distribution overhead control account 6430, and in the selling and distribution overhead control account general ledger to general ledger adjustment account 6430. Next one, stores issued to maintenance order rupees 2586. In the stores ledger control account production overhead control account 2586, and in the production overhead control account 2 for stores ledger control 2586. Next, stores issued to production rupees 56501. In the stores ledger control account work in progress control account 56501, and in the work in progress control account 2 work stores ledger control account 56501. Return to supplier rupees 312. In the general ledger adjustment account 2 stores ledger control account 312, and stores ledger control account by general ledger adjustment account 312. Production overhead absorbed by production rupees 23410 in the work in progress control account in the debit side to production overhead control account 23410, and production overhead in the production overhead control account by work in progress control account 23410. Administrative overhead absorbed by finished goods rupees 15150. Administrative overhead control account finished goods control account credit side, and in the finished goods control account administrative overhead control account 15150. Selling and distribution overhead recovered from sales rupees 9515 in the selling and distribution overhead control account by cost of sales account 9515, and in the cost of sales account to selling and distribution overhead control account 9515. Product finished during the year at cost rupees 118517 in the credit side of work in progress control account by finished goods control account 118517, and in the finished goods control account to work in progress control account 118517. In the finished goods next is finished goods sold at cost rupees 133,312,82, and in the finished goods control account by cost of sales account 133,382, and in the cost of sales account to finished goods control account. Next is sales 1,55,000 in the costing profit and loss account by general ledger adjustment account 155,000, and in the general ledger adjustment account to costing profit and loss account 1,55,000. Next we have to close the accounts one by one. First of all, we have to close stores ledger control account. Just open the account. Here debit side is more, it is total 69390, and put in the credit side, and there is a balance 9991. It should be transferred to the trial balance as stores ledger control account 9991, and in the same way work in progress control account credit balance, the debit balance in that credit side by balance CD 6251, it is to be put it on trial balance work in progress control account 6251. Next, to close the finished goods control account. In the finished goods control account, it is also shown here. In the debit side is more, it is total rupees 135,837, and there is a balance of the in the credit side balance CD 2455. It is also to be put on the trial balance finished goods control account 2455. Now we have to close wages control account. Just sum up the credit side 59,153, put into the debit side sum total, and it transfer it to the general ledger adjustment account. To general ledger adjustment account in the bracket balancing figure 59,153. It is to be transferred to general ledger adjustment account. Wages control account 59,153. This is the total wages paid during the year. Next is to close production overhead control account, administrative overhead control account. In the production overhead control account, the credit side is more 23410 put in the debit side, and there is a balance 849. It is to be transferred to overhead adjustment account by overhead production overhead control account, and there is two overhead adjustment account. It is balancing figure. And in administrative overhead control account, the debit side is more 16277. It is to be put in the credit side, and there is a balance 1127. It is to be transferred to overhead adjustment account as to administrative overhead control account 1127. Next, to close selling and distribution overhead control account and also overhead adjustment account. In the selling and distribution overhead control account, debit side is more 10,680,682, and it is to be pre-putted in the credit side, and there is a balance 1167, and this 1167 is balancing figure transferred to overhead adjustment account. Now we have to close the overhead adjustment account. The debit side is more 2294, and it is to be put in the credit side, and there is a balance 1445. It is to be transferred to costing profit and loss account to overhead adjustment account. Next, to close cost of sales account and costing profit and loss account. Cost in the cost of sales account, debit side is more, and it is totaling rupees 142,897. In the balancing figure is transferred to costing profit and loss account 142,897. 142,897, and there is a balance. In the credit side 1,55,000. It is to be put in the debit side total, and there is a balance of 10,658. It is to be transferred to general ledger adjustment account 10,658 to general ledger adjustment account. It is profit, it is balancing figure, and it is put here costing profit and loss by costing profit and loss account by within bracket profit 10,658. Now we have to close the general ledger adjustment account, and finally we have to prepare the trial balance. In the general ledger adjustment account, credit side is more, credit side totaling 174009, and it is to be put in the debit side, and there is a balance 18697, and it is finally transferred to put it to the trial balance and the credit side general ledger adjustment as general ledger adjustment account, and the debit side totaling rupees 18697,697, and credit side totaling rupees 18697. The trial balance complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you again.